Meet the MOVA Z50 Ultra, featuring powerful 19,000 Pascal suction, intelligent AI navigation, and advanced HydroSync mopping. Enjoy a smarter, deeper, and completely hands-free cleaning experience. What's in the box? In the box, you find the MOVA Z50 Ultra Robot Vacuum, Self-Empty Dock, Side Brush, Mop Pad, Edig Mop Pad, Power Cord, Cleaning Solution, Dust Bag, Cleaning Tool, and User Manual. How to pair. To connect your MOVA Robot Vacuum to the app, open the flip cover and scan the QR code or download the MOVA Home app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Sign up with your phone number or email, verify with the code, and set a password. After logging in, add the device by scanning the QR code or selecting the model in the app. Connect the robot to a 2.4 GHz or mixed 2.4/5 GHz Wi-Fi network. Enter your Wi-Fi credentials and ensure the robot is powered on. Press and hold the power and dock buttons for 3 seconds to enter pairing mode. Follow the app's instructions and connect to the robot's hotspot if prompted. Keep the robot near the router until the connection is complete and the Wi-Fi indicator remains solid. After setup, check for app updates in Settings. Enable voice control under Voice Assistant and activate Hey MOVA commands. Before mapping, clear the floor, then start fast mapping or a cleaning cycle to create the map. How to use. Ensure there are no objects within 1.5 meters in front and 0.5 meters on each side of the base station. Connect the power cord and confirm that a solid light on the base station indicates successful power. Place the base station on tile, stone, or vinyl flooring to protect carpets and wooden floors, then install the ramp extension. Remove all protective films from the base station, sensors, camera, and main unit, and take out any protective strips. Install the mop pad and edge mop pad, then press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to turn on the robot. Dock it on the base station with the charging contacts aligned. A voice prompt will confirm successful charging. Remove the clean water tank, fill it with room temperature water, and install the cleaning solution bottle so it can dispense automatically. Reinstall the water tank, then open the flip cover and proceed with app setup. Maintenance. For regular maintenance, remove the used water tank and clean it thoroughly. Take out the main brush and use the cleaning tool from the dust box to remove any hair, dirt, or debris wrapped around the brush, then reinstall the brush and brush cover. Remove the robot cover, take out the dust box, open its cover, and remove the filter. Gently tap the filter to remove loose dirt, then rinse both the dust box and filter with water. Allow them to dry completely before reinstalling. To maintain the auto-empty system, open the dust tank cover, remove and discard the used dust bag, then install a new dust bag and close the cover securely. This routine helps keep the robot operating efficiently and ensures optimal cleaning performance. Smart features. The roller mop is continuously rinsed with clean water while cleaning, helping remove dirt more effectively and reducing streaks. This keeps the mop cleaner throughout the entire cleaning session. Delivers extremely strong suction to lift dust, pet hair, crumbs, and debris from hard floors and carpets. It automatically adapts to different floor conditions for deeper cleaning. Uses advanced AI cameras and sensors to recognize and avoid furniture, cables, shoes, and other household objects in real time. This helps reduce collisions and interruptions during cleaning. Detects heavily soiled areas and automatically performs additional cleaning passes when needed. This ensures stubborn dirt and spills receive extra attention. Creates detailed maps of your home and plans efficient cleaning routes for maximum coverage. It can navigate complex layouts while avoiding missed spots and unnecessary repetition. automatically empties dust, washes the mop, refills water, and manages cleaning solution with minimal user intervention. This significantly reduces routine maintenance. Built-in voice control allows you to start, stop, and manage cleaning tasks using simple voice commands. Users can customize language, volume, and voice recognition settings directly through the app. Specifications. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your MOVA Z50 Ultra Robot Vacuum. See you at the next one.